Wow, look at that! Mom! That clickety clack made my messed up counting again.
That's okay. 108.
Think you gotta talk to Jacqueline about this.
About what?
That clickety clack.
There's nothing she can do.
Goodbye! My clickety clack did that again. Messed up my counting again. Goodbye, and that's all for now. Take a look at that.